Hey everybody, welcome back to Trial and Error. Thank you for tuning in. I will try not to disappoint you too much, unlike I did my wife when she saw me wearing these socks and sandals. It's out of pure convenience. I assure you, it's not out of style. Today we got a pretty cool tool. Now what's amazing to me is I've never actually had to use or had the need to have a rivet gun. But I'm finding as I'm getting to work on this Grand National project that I'm going to definitely need one for a lot of the aluminum panel work that we're going to replace some of the interior with. That's kind of the preferable way to attach those panels to the car. This is a brand new thing. I had no idea it even existed. I've seen 1,000 normal riveting guns, but wherever there's an easier way to do something, send it to me. So let's take a look at this. What you get here, what's amazing to me is when you do not go with the quote-unquote name brands, the value that you can get for your money is just insane. So this is a lithium, but not just lithium, it's actually truly brushless. It is a brushless powered rivet gun, and fit and feel is on par without question. You would not be disappointed with this. On par with a Makita, DeWalt, anything that you see in that kind of prosumer range. The thing, I mean, there is no give to this whatsoever. Super solid, and it looks, I'm not a Makita guy, but Makita guys, correct me if I'm wrong, it looks a lot like a Makita battery. In fact, it might even, who knows. We got a nice quick charger here. Everything, you know, the fit and finish on everything is just awesome. I love it. Really, really impressed. So that's why we're doing this video. So the company here is Gear-a-Pow. Again, probably not a name you're very familiar with, but do not let that discount you, because I would not put it on my channel if it sucked. So let's fire this thing up and give it a shot. I'm pretty excited. I've taken it out of the box before, but I have yet to actually use it. So, oh, you even got the battery meters. Check that out. My freaking DeWalt doesn't even have that. That's nice. So I've got some 1/4 inch stainless steel 301, I think. Decent stainless steel rivets here that we're gonna try to put through this metal here that you see just below this fantastic shirt available in my merch store. And we'll see how it goes. So we're just sliding that in there. I imagine it's got a forward and reverse switch, so I imagine we'll go forward. And we'll watch from that side. Are you kidding me? Did you guys just see that? That's the freaking coolest thing I've ever seen. I'm so lazy, so you get something like that that just takes the work out of, you know what I mean, clamping these things and then cutting it too all in one like swoop. Oh my God. I love cool stuff. I'm gonna try that again with some heavier material here. We'll just play around with it for a minute. Okay, so we got some beefier plate here. This is 1/8 inch, I would say, and then probably a 12 gauge maybe 10 actually. Yeah, it's probably 10. So we're just gonna try to attach these two guys together and we'll see how it does. Ooh, you're gonna really be pushing it here. I do not have much room there. It's about as thick as these will allow. So we'll see how the gun does. Dude. That's the other thing that these are great for. Just if you need a quick little hinge type of thing. I mean, it's not something you'd want to use all the time, but it makes a great hinge. But yeah, it took it, no problem. Nice and strong too. Really strong. Oh, I'm loving this thing. Loving this thing. All right, I think I'm ready for some speed trial runs here. So you guys are used to doing these by hand. Start the clock. I can't find the hole. So this will work with stainless or aluminum rivets. I chose to go with the heaviest rivets possible in stainless to give it its hardest test, obviously, for you guys. I wanted to see how well it did. Works for absolutely everything. I can use these. This is something that you can use on a boat quite commonly too. RVs, cars, I mean, you name it. It's a great tool just to have around the shop. And then for the house, think about like HVAC stuff, building, you know, your ductwork, gutters around the house. I gotta give it 2 monkeys thumbs up. The thing's awesome. I love it. I did not know it existed, but now that I do, you aren't gonna pry it from my cold dead hands. Coolest rivet gun ever. If you're in the need for one, I cannot recommend it more. The build quality is insanely good, and functionality wise, obviously, is excellent. So links are in the description, as you would expect. And I could not be happier with this thing. There you go. Thanks for watching as always, everybody. I appreciate it very much. Any questions, comments, concerns, and/or criticisms, throw them down in the comment section below me. Otherwise, everybody, have a great day.